Hi, fellas. What a beautiful morning. I just realized one thing that whenever people give you some advices, 99% of the times it's their own life experiences. And that makes it opinions and not the facts. So, what you should do is you should listen to all advices and do your own thing. Because whenever people give you some advice, whatever they tell you, they're telling you their own stories, their own experiences in life. They have made some theories around their lives. So they are telling you that and not the advice which you might need in your life. So follow your heart and do your own thing.